Good afternoon to all. In previous video, we will discuss the chemical properties of nitrogen family and then started, that is the hydrides of nitrogen family. Today in this class I will discuss the properties of these hydrides. Properties of these hydrides we will discuss. The first property comes to, that is bond angle. So what is the bond angle order of hydrides of nitrogen family? The hydrides of nitrogen family, that is from moving from NH3 to BiS3, the bond angle order decreases. On moving from NH3 to BiS3, the bond angle order will be decreases. The bond angle will decreases. Why? On moving from NH3 to BiS3, bond angle will decrease because on moving from nitrogen to bismuth, electronegativity decreases. Due to decrease of electronegativity, because on moving down from nitrogen to bismuth, electronegativity of central atom decreases, for which their bond angle decreases. So why on decreasing the electronegativity bond angle decreases? Let us see. The bond angle order of NH3 to BiS3 decreases in the order. So in explanation, we will discuss why this happens. That is, from nitrogen to bismuth, electronegativity decreases and the size of atom increases. We already discussed this, that is, from in a group, electronegativity decreases and size of atom increases. As a result, the bond pairs shift away from the central atom. As a result, the bond pairs shift away from the central atom. Why the bond pairs shift away from the central atom? Because if the central atom is more electronegative, then it will attract the bond pair of electrons towards itself. Due to its attraction, both the bond pairs comes to close each other. Due to their closeness, there is repulsion occurs between bond pair and bond pair. There is repulsion occurs. Electronegativity of central atom attracts the both bond towards closure. Due to its closeness, both the bond pair comes to close each other. Due to closeness, there is bond pair repulsion occurs. Due to bond pair repulsion, they try to minimize their repulsion, so they started to move away from each other to minimize their repulsion. On moving away from each other, the bond angle of central atom increases. So, with increase in electronegativity, bond angle increases because the bond pairs shift away from the central atom. Comes to next point, that is, the force of repulsion between the bond pairs of NH3 is more than that of PS3 because the electronegativity of nitrogen is more than that of phosphorus. Due to more electronegative, more attraction occurs between due to more electronegative, both the bonds more attracted towards the central atom, then both the bonds shift more towards away to minimize their repulsion. So, the force of repulsion decreases from NH3 to BiS3. As a result, the bond angle decreases in the same order. Because due to more electronegativity, bond angles comes to each other, both the bonds attract the central atom, then they comes to each other. Due to their closeness, bond pair repulsion occurs, and to minimize their repulsion, they again started to move away from each other. Due to this, their bond angle increases. As a result, with decrease in electronegativity, bond angle also decreases. Okay. Next comes to another property, that is basic strength. Then comes to another property, that is basic strength. So what do you mean by base? We know according to Lewis, which contains a lone pair of electron which can donate at least a one lone pair of electron can act as a base. So all the hydrides of nitrogen family contains one lone pair of electron on their central atom. So due to presence of one lone pair of electron on their central atom, they all layer act as base. So they have basic strength. But what is the order of their basic strength of hydrides? All the hydrides of this group have lone pair of electron. So they act as Lewis base. On moving down the group, that is from nitrogen to BiS3, from NS3 to BiS3, the basic strength decreases. That is, basic strength decreases means NS3 is distinctly basic, means more basic. PS3 is weakly basic because basic strength decrease color. ASS3, SBS3 and BiS3 are very weak basic. That on moving down from NS3 to BiS3, basic strength decreases. Why basic strength decreases? Because on moving down the group from nitrogen to bismuth, the size of atom increases. As a result, on moving from nitrogen to bismuth, size of atom increases. As a result, the electron density on central atom decreases because smaller size contain one lone pair of electron. Bigger size also contains that only one lone pair of electron. So, in smaller size case, electron density is more than that of bigger size. So, in case of nitrogen, electron density is more than that of bismuth. So, NS3 can, since in NS3 case electron density is more, so it can donate electron easily and its basic strength becomes more. And in case of BiS3, due to its large size, its electron density on central atom decreases. Due to decrease of electron density on central atom, its donation capacity decreases. Due to decrease of their donation capacity, its basic strength also decreases, for which the basic strength from NS3 to BiS3 decreases. Okay. Next comes to another property, that is thermal stability. That is, what do you mean by thermal stability? Thermal means temperature. So, in temperature which is stable, that means the bond strength, the compound having more bond strength is more thermally stable than compound having less bond strength. So, let us see in thermal stability of hydrides of nitrogen family. On moving down from NS3 to BiS3, the thermal stability decreases. That is, NS3 is more stable and BiS3 is less stable. The thermal stability order of these hydrides will be in this. That is, NS3 is more thermally stable than BiS3. It is decreases as this order. Why thermal stability decreases from NS3 to BiS3? That is, on moving down the group, the size of central atom increases. As a result, the tendency to form stable covalent bond with hydrogen atom decreases. That means nitrogen has small size. Small size nitrogen forms with covalent bond with hydrogen. Phosphorus also form covalent bond with hydrogen. Arsenic also form covalent bond with hydrogen. Like this, bismuth also form covalent bond with hydrogen. The hydrogen atom is fixed, but the central atom is changes, and also their size also changes. Changes means their size increases. As a result, the bond length between their nitrogen, hydrogen, phosphorus, hydrogen, so bond length also changes. With increase in size, bond length increases. So from NS3 to BiS3, bond length increases. We know that bond length is inversely proportional to bond strength. So with increase in bond length, bond strength decreases. So due to decrease of bond strength, the Bi and H bond is least stable among all the hydrides. So this bond can easily broken and it becomes thermally less stable. And in case of NH bond, this bond is more stable among all the bonds of hydride. So NH bond strength is more, the bond strength is more, means that requires high energy to decompose or high temperature, so it is thermally stable. Due to its bond strength, so the MH bond strength decreases, therefore thermal stability decreases. Okay. The question, one question can be asked from that property, that is, what is the order of thermal stability of hydrides of nitrogen family? That is this order. Next comes to another property, that is reducing character. Next comes to another property, that is reducing character. So what do you mean by reducing character? Reducing character means that compound must be a reducing agent. Then question arises, what is a reducing agent? The reducing agent means the compound which reduces other but itself undergo oxidation, which undergo oxidation itself, माने सेल्फ ऑक्सीडेशन करिवो निजरो बट अन्य को कौन करिवो ना रिड्यूस करिवो. दैट कंपाउंड इज नोन एज रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट. दैट कंपाउंड हैज रिड्यूसिंग कैरेक्टर. So the reducing character of all the hydrides increases from NH3 to BiS3. The reducing character of hydrides increases from NH3 to BiS3. The increasing order of reducing character is as follows, that is BiS3 is highest reducing agent, then SbS3, then ASS3, then PS3, then NH3. The NH3 is least reducing agent and BiS3 is strong reducing agent. The BiS3, why BiS3 is stronger reducing character, a stronger reducing agent, whereas NH3 is weak reducing agent. Weak reducing agent. Let us see. The reducing nature depends upon the stability of hydride. Reducing nature depends upon the stability of hydride. Greater the stability, lesser is the reducing nature. Greater is the unstability of hydride, greater is the reducing character. We already told that, ठीक अच्छे. Greater is the unstability of hydride, greater is the reducing character. That means stability of hydride is less, then greater will be the reducing character. We already discussed it previously that reducing character of hydride, that is this BiS3 is less thermally stable and NH3 is most of thermally stable. At least it is more. That means it can break the Bi and H bond easily than NH bond. So which remove hydrogen easily can oxidize itself easily. So जो केस रे हाइड्रोजन टा इजीली लॉस हो परिबो, दैट मीन्स से एटम टा इजीली ऑक्सीडाइज हैला. तो जे इजीली ऑक्सीडाइज हैला से अन्य को जल्दी रिड्यूस करिवो. दैट मीन्स जे थर्मली लेस स्टेबल तार रिड्यूसिंग कैरेक्टर अधिका, तार थर्मली मोर स्टेबल ए बॉन्ड इजीली भांगीबोनी, ता माने निजे ऑक्सीडाइज जल्दी होबोनी, ता माने से अन्य को रिड्यूस एते जल्दी करि परिबोनी. ता माने जे थर्मली मोर स्टेबल से लेस रिड्यूसिंग कैरेक्टर, जे थर्मली लीस्ट स्टेबल तार मोर रिड्यूसिंग कैरेक्टर. So reducing nature depends upon the stability of hydride, greater the unstability. जेते unstability greater रहिबो सेते reducing character greater रहिबो जेते stability सेति पई stability order जेहेतु हमर NH3 रु BiS3 पर्यंत डिक्रीज करूची त reducing character कोन हबो ना रिवर्स हबो NH3 रु BiS3 पर्यंत कोन करिवो ना इंक्रीज करिवो ओके next comes to another property that is boiling point. The boiling point depends upon mainly atomic size, that means mass. Atomic size increases, then mass increases, boiling point increases. The boiling point order of 215 hydride are as follows. That means boiling point order should be, that is in the order from NH3 to PS3 mass increases, PS3 to ASS3 mass increases, atomic size increases, ASS3 to SBS3 atomic size increases, SBS3 to BIS3 atomic size increase. So the boiling point order should be that, but actually the boiling point order is this one. Why this boiling point order not happens? Why this is happens? There is a exception of NH3 from that position to that position. Only NH3 has exception, not other. Why NH3? According to atomic size, NH3 should be less boiling point than that of all the hydrides. But in this case, we can see that NH3 has higher boiling point than PS3 and ASS3 and lower than that of SBS3 and BIS3. Why NH3 has lower boiling point than that SBS3 and BIS3 and higher than that of PS3 and ASS3? Why this happens? Due to the abnormal boiling point order of NH3 is due to its intermolecular hydrogen bonding, because in case of NH3 nitrogen has higher electronegative, so it becomes delta negative, hydrogen becomes delta positive. In another molecule hydrogen delta positive, delta negative, so in this case intramolecular hydrogen bonding forms. So due to intramolecular hydrogen bonding molecular association occurs. Due to molecular association, that's atomic or van der Waals force of attraction increases. Due to increase of van der Waals force of attraction, so its boiling point increases from PS3 to ASS3 from boiling point increases from PS3 to boiling point increases than that of PS3 to SS3, but decreases than that of SBS3 and BIS3. Why? Because in BIS3 and SBS3 van der Waals force of attraction is more than that of hydrogen bonding in NH3. Due to more van der Waals force of attraction in SBS3 and BIS3 due to their size, so it will compensate more van der Waals force in case of SBS3 and BIS3 than that of NH3. So NH3 has higher boiling point than that of PS3 and ASS3 but lesser boiling point than SBS3 and BIS3. Let's see, from PS3 to BIS3 boiling point increases because molecular size increases. However, the boiling point of NH3 is higher than that of PS3 and ASS3 but lower than that of SBS3 and BIS3 because of higher van der Waals force of attraction. Due to higher van der Waals force of attraction in SBS3 and BIS3, more compensate the increase in boiling point of NH3 due to आमर अमोनिया बोइलिंग पॉइंट हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग जेतिकी इंक्रीज करिछि ताठारु अधिका van der Waals फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन पई एमानकर बोइलिंग पॉइंट इंक्रीज करिगला. ओके, तो सेथिपई ऑर्डरटा त बोइलिंग पॉइंट पई एदी जनक ठारु यार बोइलिंग पॉइंट अमोनिया अधिका रहिला बट SBS3 और BIS3 केस रे सेमानकर van der Waals फोर्सटा आर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग रो ठारू अधिका रहीगला सेथिपई एमानकर बोइलिंग पॉइंट अमोनिया ठारू अधिका रहिला. सो द ऑर्डर विल बी PS3 is less than that of ASS3 is less than that of NS3 is less than that of SBS3 and is less than that of BIS3. Okay, so the boiling point order will be this one. This is a important order. Next, melting point. In melting point, we know melting point depends upon size as well as stability. If stability is more, then melting point will be more. The melting point of group 15 hydride are as follows. The melting point of group 15 element, melting point order of group 15 hydrates are as follows. That is, from PS3 to SbS3, melting point increases. So NS3 should be lesser melting point than that of PS3, but due to its that previous exceptional behavior is due to, and in this case also due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding, its melting point becomes more among all the hydrates, because due to its intermolecular hydrogen bonding, its stability is more among all the hydrates of nitrogen family. Due to its more stability due to hydrogen bonding, its melting point becomes more among all the hydrates, because melting point depends upon stability and all other hydrates cannot form intermolecular hydrogen bonding, so its stability is most stable. Stability is more among all the hydrates. So see, from PS3 to SbS3, melting point increases due to increase of molecular mass, which increases van der Waals force of attraction. PS3 to SbS3 increased Cauchy melting point due to increase of mass and as well as force of van der Waals force of attraction. But melting point of NS3 is higher among all the hydrates. Melting point of NS3 is higher among all the hydrates. कहीं ना melting point of NS3 सबुठारु अधिका hydrate मानक भितरे due to intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding by आमर hydrate मानकर भितरु NS3 रो melting point टा सबुठारु अधिका. Okay. Then comes to another property, that is volatile nature. That is volatile nature. It is written in the question format. That is, what is the order of volatile nature of hydrates of nitrogen family? What is the order of volatile nature? The volatile nature means the volatile nature depends upon boiling point. If boiling point is more, then it is less volatile. If boiling point is less, then it is more volatile. Boiling point, the volatile nature depends upon, mark that, volatile nature depends upon on which property? That is boiling point. If boiling point is more, volatile nature is less. If boiling point is less, then volatile nature is more. So we will already discuss the boiling point order. The boiling point order will be what? That is, PS3 is less than that of ASS3, ASS3 is less than that of NS3, and NS3 is less than that of SbS3, and SbS3 is less than that of BIS3. So this is the boiling point order. Since boiling point order affect the volatile nature, so higher is the boiling point, lesser is the volatile nature, and lesser is the boiling point, higher is the volatile nature. So the volatile nature of the hydrate will be like that. It is just reverse of boiling point. The boiling point, in case of boiling point, BIS3 has higher boiling point. So in volatile nature, BIS3 is lesser volatile nature. In case of boiling point, PS3 is less boiling point. So in case of volatile nature, PS3 is highly volatile. And according to mass, NS3 should be higher volatile, but actually PS3 is higher volatile, but NS3 is less volatile due to its intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So see, it is because the intermolecular force of hydrate is van der Waals force, which depends upon atomic size. On moving down the group, atomic size increases, so intermolecular force becomes stronger. So intermolecular force is stronger, then van der Waals force is intermolecular force of attraction is more in case of larger size molecule. In larger size molecule, van der Waals force is more, hence volatile character is less, so volatile character decreases. But ammonia has exception. Ammonia has less small size, but ammonia has exception due to its intramolecular hydrogen bonding, and hydrogen bonding forms due to smaller size and high electronegativity of nitrogen atom. Okay. Next comes to one question, that is explain why PCl5 exists but NCl5 does not exist. Why PCl5 exists करे but NCl5 exists करे? Let us see. Phosphorus has a configuration 3s2 3p3. So due to form PCl5, it has acquired to 5 unpaired electrons, but in ground state there are only 3 unpaired electrons. To contain or to become 5 unpaired electron, they have to excite 1 electron from 3s to 3d. So 1 electron is excited from 3s to 3d. That is, let us see, in excited state, that is 5 unpaired electron, so it can form PCl5. But in case of nitrogen, its configuration is 2s2 2p3. That there are only 3 unpaired electron in ground state, and there are no d orbital available in case of nitrogen. So the s orbital cannot promoted to d orbital because there is no d orbital available. So only 3 electrons are available. So the nitrogen does not form NCl5. Okay. Due to presence of vacant d orbital in phosphorus, it can promote its electron from 3s to 3d. So it can form PCl5 due to presence of 5 unpaired electron. But in case of nitrogen, due to absence of d orbital in nitrogen, it cannot promote its electron from 2s orbital. 2s orbital lu electron promote kari paribani, so it does not form NCl5. Sethipai se NCl5 formation kari paribo nahi. Okay. So in the next class, in the next video we will discuss formation of oxide. Thank you.